News Sunrise continues.
Oh man, it is cold, cold, cold outside, and I'm pretty sure you felt that if you stepped outside. But Steph, there's this word that's been going around. It starts with an S.
Yeah.
Ends with an O. Oh my goodness.
Starting to hear that snow word coming out around here.
Oh man.
It comes with some conditions. It's not a guarantee, and it's not a guarantee for everyone. But somewhere in our viewing area, we think we're going to get some of that. And if you want to find it right now, well, you're going to have a couple hours ride and a treacherous one out that. You're looking at a live look outside in Lubbock, Texas. Snow on the ground. This picture just looks so downright cold. This is not what Corpus Christi will look like tomorrow, by the way, but it's going to feel cold. The cold you feel looking at this view. That's what we're expecting for tomorrow. So let's get right into it. Temperatures outside right now are pretty close to the freezing point, 35 in Port A. And in Ingleside, 37 at the Naval Air Station in Corpus Christi. We're going to see these temperatures tick their way up a little bit this afternoon. I think the high in Corpus Christi will be about 39 degrees, so some appreciable warmth, we'll call it, but it's not going to feel very warm because the winds will continue to be pretty brisk this afternoon. So we have warnings that will go into effect for this evening. Take a look at this. Freeze warning because our temperatures are going to be near 20 degrees as we head into tomorrow morning for most of the area. Winter storm warning because we're expecting frozen precipitation. Some of that could go up to 1/10 of an inch. I think that's more on the high end of the accumulations we'll see throughout the area. And wind chill warning because the feels like temperatures will be in the single digits to the teens with that wind blowing. Now these once again go into effect at 6 p.m. so they're not in effect right now. But to explain why, here's our future tracker to show you how the temperatures are going to begin to plummet this afternoon. So tonight, 10 p.m., most of us near the freezing mark, starting to see that rain transition over that we'll get tonight. And then as we head into the early morning hours, look at how quickly things change. We get into the lower 20s as we approach Monday morning. And like I said, most folks bottoming out near 20 degrees. Some places a little warmer, some places a little cooler before it's all said and done. And the chill lasts into Tuesday as we see these temperatures rebound a little bit Monday afternoon and then drop once again going into your Tuesday. So it's going to be a chilly one out there. Now, as far as the frozen precipitation goes today, we'll see the rain increase. The rain chance right now, we got that drizzle kind of situation going on outside. We'll see the rain come in this evening. That then transitions as those temperatures drop to frozen precipitation. Say by about the dinner time hour, we begin to see a lot of that ramp up. Not thinking it's going to be very heavy. Again, the accumulation's only about to 1/10 of an inch, but you'll notice it when it's here. We think most people by the coast have a pretty good chance of seeing that wintry mix coming in just after midnight. And then interestingly enough, as we head into early Monday morning, watch as this blue begins to creep towards the coast. This is a model. It's not set in stone. It's not guaranteed, but the ingredients seem to be there. We have the possibility to see some snow throughout parts of our viewing area. It'll be very brief, and that'll be the end of the precipitation because to get the snow, we need to basically deplete the moisture there to make it. So will it snow in Corpus Christi? Not set in stone. Does the possibility exist? It does. So, mainly for inland portions of Nueces and San Patricio counties going into today. About those accumulations, here's what they're looking like. Not that much, but enough ice on the roadways will make conditions slick out there. Now, we're talking about the spectrum between rain and snow. So here's what you're going to see as far as not rain. So sleet looks like frozen ice pellets. They're transparent, kind of look like glass. Graupel, something you may not have heard of before, looks like snow. It's not quite snow. They look like Dippin' Dots, and you'll be able to squish them if you pick them up. And then there's bona fide snow, which is going to be less of what we see going into tomorrow morning. Here's a look at the next 7 days. It stays cold once we're done with this big chill of wintry mix. Tuesday morning, waking up to 17 degrees. And hey, look, a warm up to the 50s by the end of the week, Jeremiah.